Shri Bhagwati presents Semi-Automatic Jerry Can Filling Machine. A semi-automatic jerry can filling machine is a device used to fill jerry cans or similar containers with liquids in a partially automated manner. It offers a balance between manual and fully automated filling processes, providing increased efficiency and accuracy compared to manual methods. Key features of a typical semi-automatic jerry can filling machine include: first, conveyor system. The machine may have a conveyor system that transports the jerry cans to the filling station. This can be a roller conveyor, belt conveyor, or similar mechanism. Second, filling nozzles. The machine is equipped with one or more filling nozzles that dispense the liquid into the jerry cans. The number of nozzles can vary depending on the machine's capacity and desired throughput. Third, liquid supply system. The machine is connected to a liquid supply source, such as a storage tank or pipeline. It should have controls to regulate the flow of liquid and prevent overfilling. Fourth, fill level controls. The machine provides controls to set the desired fill level or volume for each jerry can. These controls can include adjustment knobs, digital displays, or other interfaces for operators to input the required parameters. Fifth, control panel. A control panel allows operators to monitor and control the machine's operation. It typically includes buttons, switches, indicators, and a human-machine interface, HMI, for adjusting settings and troubleshooting issues. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.